Now to foam roller your calves, sit on the floor with your hands resting behind you and the foam roller under your calves. Push yourself up with your hands while engaging your core and get your bum off the ground. You'll want to keep your calves relaxed as you roll from the ankle to just below the knee. The muscle is mostly in the top half of the calf, closer to the knee, so you'll want to spend some more time up there. Now, if you want to do one leg at a time, you can cross your top ankle over the bottom one to add some extra pressure and extra weight on it. Otherwise, you can kick one leg off of the foam roller so that you don't have as much weight on it, but still adding more pressure to the affected leg rather than doing both legs at the same time. Now again, you can rotate your calf and your body both to the inside and the outside to make sure that you're getting the inside and outside edge of the calf muscle.